Hello there again, this is Derek, and today I'm going to show you how to download a list of names or subscribers from the .com business to Aweber using Google Drive. I normally use Microsoft Excel, but a lot of people don't have Excel. So the alternative is to use the Google Drive. Okay, so we'll start off by going to the best business, which is over here. If this is a friend of mine's account, which I'm administrating for him. Now, normally, what I do is, and it's the best way to do it actually, is to download it in Excel format. You may not have Excel, but it's the best format. I suppose you could use the CSV file as well, but I never use that. I always use Excel. So you download Excel, you just click on Excel, and then that will download. It'll tell it come up with, sorry, it'll come up with a box. You can name it. I've already done one at the top there, highlighted there, best business bonus 3. So I won't do that again. So you can just name it and then save it, and then so anyway, then we go to Google Drive. Okay, click on Google Drive, and in Google Drive, obviously I use Google Drive a lot for various different things. You go into new, okay, with my drive, and then new, you click new at the top. It'll bring down a folder, so a menu. You go down to Google Sheets. That's the green one there, Google Sheets. Click on that, and that will open up a new unused spreadsheet. Okay, so then you go to File. It's all it's all at the top there. Click on File, then come down to Import. Okay, and then you want to go across to Upload, and then you click on the blue button in the center. Okay, and select a file from your computer. So you click on that, and it'll bring up open up another window with the where obviously if this isn't where your place where you've stored your file that you downloaded, obviously you have to go and find that. Okay, so the one I'm going to use is this one, best business bonus 3. So I click on that and open it, and that will upload, and then you create a new spreadsheet, and then import data, and then it comes up, file imported successfully, open now. Click on open now, and there you have it. Okay, now what the way I did it, when I'm you go to your Aweber, and I've probably got Aweber here somewhere. Boom. No, probably not got it there. So Aweber, probably got Aweber open. No, I haven't got Aweber open. Okay, so we'll go and open Aweber anyway. So open Aweber. There it is. Comes up. Okay. Now what we want to do, we want to add subscribers. Okay, you can either click the green button here, or you can go into the menu and come down to add subscribers. Okay, so if it's up to 10 subscribers, you click on the first button here. If it's more than 10, then you click on this one here. I'm going to demonstrate importing more than 10, so I'm going to click this button here. All right, and then what you want is you enter your subscription. So you click on, you can do it from a file. You can actually do the file, but that would do the whole lot. So maybe you've already uploaded from this particular file before. So so and in this case, I'm going to use this one, enter your subscribers, which is copy and paste, or enter by hand. So I click on the click to import, and then it opens that. So then I go back to my Google, is this one here. Okay, and then I'm going to, so my mouse is playing up a bit, so it's got a mind of its own sometimes. So basically, you just click on one name there, and then you scroll down. See, it's all highlighting in blue. Select how many you want to do, whatever. Okay, and then you right click and copy. Okay, then you go back to your Aweber account, which is over here. This is that one, and then you would right click and paste, or Control V, and that would list them all there. Okay, then you come down to the left hand side and click on next. Now you might have to click it twice. I've found sometimes you have to click it twice anyway. Right, and then it brings up a sample email there, and this is email because that's the only information you're giving, which is an email. You haven't got a name or anything like that. So you just click on next, and then it's going to be, how did the subscribers join your list? So you want to put in sign up through my website, so you click on that button there. Then you've got to provide the actual place, which is the sales funnels bootcamp steps. So I've got that on another screen, so I'm just going to paste that in there. Okay, then you come down and you don't do anything else. You make sure that this is bringing, are you bringing from another email provider? The answer is no. You click on next. Then you we send a legacy follow-up to the series to the subscribers? Yes, you want yes, and then you pick on the, you just click the down box and click on number 1 if that's where you want to start it from. Then you click on next, and do you want your subscribers to opt in again? Now some people say yes, some people say no. I've always done it as no. So click it on that, and then you click on next, and then the next is tags, if you want to put any tags on, anything like that. I don't personally, and you just click on finish, and then that would send that list to Aweber. I'm not going to do it because I've actually done that list before, prior to this video, and that's basically all you do. When you go back to subscribers, your list would be, if I input, as you can see there, I inputted 181 earlier, and they're being submitted for review, so I'm waiting to hear from them now. But the idea of doing that is, when I actually look at my subscribers, majority of them are all subscribed. Okay, there's none pending or anything like that, where if you'd have opt in to be confirmed again, that would most probably have been confirmed, or waiting to be confirmed, or pending or something like that. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. Sorry if this video has been a bit long, and hope to see you soon on the next video. Bye for now.